On the right-hand side, that little block here, these are other roles that I would love for you to consider when you're thinking about job searching, especially on EntertainmentCareers.Net. Here are some terms, it's not the end all be all. This is not an absolute. This is just some suggestions. Taking a look at a content writer, long form, short form. Some of you are script writers, story editors. We need those people too. We need consistency.
You guys are our new blog post writers and email marketing writers.
Absolutely. Content strategists, creative services, programming. So I did a search on EntertainmentCareers.Net. I typed in content in the search bar, but there is actually a content creator job listing where there's a whole section of them. But just typing the word content, it pulled up so many jobs that needed to be filled, and content was listed in the tasks, not the title role, just the task. So I encourage you to take a look at what you want to do and then see if the roles match up, and take a look at the tasks too, because that might be something that you want to do, but then the title doesn't really match. That's okay. I mean, it's the stuff that you want to do. Titles are titles.